Hi there, welcome to this standing strength and balance yoga practice. Let's start by standing in mountain pose, feet roughly hip width apart, hands out by your side. Just taking a moment to find your posture and pull in your navel to spine gently, closing the eyes if it's comfortable. Taking a few breaths and then lifting your heels up off the floor to upright standing mountain pose. Holding for about 20 seconds if you can, and then floating your feet back down. Let's begin. So we're going to start off with warrior one, turning your right foot to face forward, hips facing forward, arms up by your side towards the ceiling. Again, holding for about 20 seconds. You can take your hands to your chest if it's more comfortable. Bending your front knee, strong in the back leg. And focusing on the positive qualities of warriors. I'm going to work into balance now. So we're going to put your hands on your hips, and if you can, put your weight into the right foot. Flexing the back foot, pulling your navel into spine, focusing your gaze the front of you, breathing and holding for about 20 seconds. I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. So left foot forward, toes facing forward nice and straight, hips are facing towards the edge of your mat, shoulders in line with hips. Stretching your hands up towards the ceiling, stretching through the fingertips, strong in your navel, strong in the legs. And then placing your weight into the front foot, lifting off the back foot, pulling your navel in, flexing the back foot, and coming into an easy standing warrior three. Keep breathing. Well done. Just resting the back foot down. We're going to come into warrior two now. So turning the right toes out towards the side, making sure your knees in line with your ankle. Back foot slightly turned in. Relax your shoulders. Look towards your fingertips. And hold for about 20 seconds. Again, thinking of those qualities of a warrior, strong, leadership. And then coming into a peaceful warrior, sliding the back hand down, looking towards your top hand if you can. Keeping that front knee bent. Keep breathing. Excellent. Coming back through warrior two, straighten that leg. And then coming into low side angle pose, so bending the right knee again, stretching the arm up and over if it's comfortable, or you can bring the arm by your side. Stretching up and over, so strong in those legs. You might feel a wee burn in that right thigh. Pulling the navel in towards your spine. If it's more comfortable, look down towards your toes. Come up on the inhale. And then changing sides, so warrior two. Nice strong position in the feet, strong in the legs. Bending that front knee on the opposite side. So again, relax your shoulders. Looking towards your fingertips. Pull the tummy in. Slide the back hand down, extend the hand up and over, so you come into a slight side bend for peaceful warrior. Feel that nice stretch. Again, you might start to feel a little burn in that front thigh. Building strength. Strong warrior. Coming out, coming into low side angle pose. So again, bending that knee, stretching the arm up above. You can be up here a wee bit higher if you need to, or you can rest your elbow on the thigh. Extending the hand up and over. So again, I'm not going too deep here for the purpose of this video for beginner level. Just working at a comfortable level for you. Coming out on the inhale, bringing your feet back together, rolling your shoulders. I'm coming into tree pose now, so I'm going to turn your leg out from the hip, place your toe on the floor and place your foot inside arch to the inside of the opposite ankle. Pull up through your navel and spine, stretch your hands up towards the ceiling if it's comfortable. If you want, you can slide the foot up so it's placed just below your knee joint and stretch upwards, feeling strong like the roots of a tree. Holding for about 20 seconds, coming back down again. Let's do the other side. So plant your opposite leg into the floor, turn out from the hip, strong centre, lift your chest, arch of the foot pressing against the ankle, focus your gaze and breathe. If it's comfortable, slide the foot up just below the knee joint. And again, stretching the hands up for an option. Hold and breathe. Focus, balance. Bringing the hands together, coming all the way down. Lovely, well done. Turning to the side. Now you can use a wall, remember, for support. So you can do tree pose against the wall if need be, if you were really wobbly. And you can do warrior three holding onto the wall as well. You can start to tip over a wee bit more if it's comfortable. You're aiming for a flat back, but again, just work into your own level, just showing you some options here, using the wall for support. Focusing on the breath, coming up slowly on the inhale, fabulous. Again, doing that on the other side. So again, you can hold on to the wall, it would be your outside knee, it would turn out for tree pose. And then extending the back leg, tipping from the hips. You can reach forward and hold on to a wall in front of you, or a strong table. Eyes towards the floor. Again, holding for about 20 seconds if you can. I'm just showing you a different option using the wall for support. Well done. Taking 3 big deep breaths to finish your strength and balance practice. Exhale. Last one, breathe in. Exhale, take a bow. Namaste. Thanks for watching.